Welcome to mathematics. Today we will start fundamental operations. Before starting the lesson, please check the solutions for your previous assignment. First main, estimate to the highest place and find the sum. Question number 1, 439 plus 334 plus 4317. So you have to estimate to the highest place and then you have to find out the sum. So 439 estimated to the nearest hundred as 400. 334 estimated to the nearest hundreds as 300. 4317 estimated to the nearest thousand as 4000. So hence the estimated sum equals to 400 plus 300 plus 4000 equals to 4700. I hope you all underlined and solved correctly. Question number 2, 12,904 plus 2,888. So 12,904 the highest place is 10,000, 2,888 the highest place is 1,000. So the solution is 12,904 estimated to the nearest 10,000 as it will be 10,000. 2,088 estimated to the nearest 1,000 it will be 3,000. Hence the estimated sum equals to 10,000 plus 3,000 gives you 13,000. Second main, estimate to the highest place and find the difference. Question number 1, 8,325 minus 491. 8,000, so the highest place is 1,000. Here 400, so highest place is hundreds. So 8,325 estimated to the nearest thousands as 8,000. 491 estimated to the nearest hundreds as 500. Hence the estimated difference equals to 8,000 minus 500 gives you 7,500. Question number 2, 28,292 minus 21,496. So 28,292, here the highest place is in 10,000s place. Here 21,000, so the highest place is in 10,000. So 28,292 estimated to the nearest 10,000 as 30,000. 21,496 estimated to the nearest 10,000 as 20,000. Hence the estimated difference equals to 30,000 minus 20,000 gives you 10,000. Third main, estimate to the highest place and do as directed. Question number 1, 1,291 multiplied by 592. So you have to find the estimated product here. 1,291 the highest place is in 1000 place. 592 the highest place is in 100 place. So 1,291 estimated to the nearest thousands place as 1000. 592 estimated to the nearest hundreds place as 600. So the estimated product equals to 1000 into 600. So 6 ones are 6 along with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 along with 5 zeros. Question number 2, 578 into 161. You have to find out the estimated product. In 578 the highest place is 100. In 161 the highest place is 100. So you have underlined. Let's check the solution. 578 estimated to the nearest hundreds place as 600. 161 estimated to the nearest hundreds place as 200. Hence the estimated product will be 600 into 200. So you have to write 600 into 200 and then multiply, find the product. So 6 into 2 gives you 12 along with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12 along with 4 zeros. Question number 3. 26,306 divided by 297. In 26,306, the highest place is 10,000. In 297, the highest place is hundreds. Let's check the solution. 26,306 estimated to the nearest 10,000 place as 30,000. 297 estimated to the nearest 100 place as 300. Hence, the estimated quotient equals to 30,000 divided by 300. It gives you quotient 100. I hope all of you have done the answers correct. Let's start the lesson. You are already familiar with 4 basic mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we will perform the same operations on large numbers. First we will take addition. So look at this example. It is 46,93,118 plus 7,19,32,345 plus 29,92,789. So write down the sum in your notebook. Start working out with me. First we will arrange them. Have you written? Go for the next one. So the 3 numbers has been arranged. Keep little bit space in between so that the column wise we can see them properly. While doing addition, it will be easier to find out. So start addition. 8 plus 5 plus 9. Do the addition and write it down. The carryover part you will write up on the top. You know all this process. Please follow it. 8 plus 5 gives you 13. 13 plus 9, 22. So 2 will come down and another 2 will be carried over here. So 2 came up here and another 2 has been carried over. Now 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. So 5 will come here and 1 will be carried over here. Now 1 plus 3 equals to 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 1 gives you 12. So 2 will come up here and 1 will go up. Now 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Now 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 9, 21. Next 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 9, 24 plus 2, 26. So 6 here, 2 will go there. So 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So nothing is here, only 7 is there. So 7 will come down. Now you can see the sum. So please write down the final answer. So the answer is 7961825. Look at the example number 2. It is 8,25,674 plus 39,69,000 67,489 plus 23,158. So the first thing we have to do, we have to arrange these numbers. So start working out with me. Write down the first number. Keep little space in between. As I told for the previous sum, same way we will write. Next, write down the second number. And now finally the third one. So you already have arranged. Now we will start working out. So here 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 8, 21. So 1 will come here and 2 will be carried over. Have you done? Now 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So 2 will come here, another 2 will be carried over. Here 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. So 3 is here, 1 will be carried over. 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So 6 will be here, 1 will be carried over. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 will be here, another 1 will be carried over. So 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 1, 18. So 8 will be here, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. So the sum is complete. You can write down the final answer. It is 4816,321. That is 48,16,321. Now we will do subtraction for large numbers. Look at this example. It is 58,76,409 minus 27,34,864. So the first thing you have to do, you have to arrange them. So write this number on the top and down this number. So start writing. Have you written this first number? Now down, write down the second number. Now we will do the subtraction. So 9 minus 4, how much it is? 5. So write down 5. Look at here, 0 minus 6 we cannot do, so we have to borrow. How much? From 4 I will borrow 1 here. So if I borrow 1 here, how much it will become? It will become 10. If I borrow 1 from 4, then 4 will become 3 also. So 0 became 10. Now 10 minus 6, 4. How much it is right now? Because I have taken 1 here. So 4 became 3. So 3 minus 8 we cannot do. So we have to borrow something from 6. I have to borrow then what? 1 here. So 1 and 3 will become 13. So 4 became 13. I explained already. Because 4 became 3, I have borrowed 1 from here, so it became 13. So 13 minus 8 gives you how much? 5. As I have borrowed, so 6 will become how much? 6 will become 5. Now 5 minus 4, how much it is? 1. Here 7 minus 3, we need not to borrow anything. It is 4. 8 minus 7, it is 1. 5 minus 2, it is 3. So the subtraction is over. You can write down the final answer. It is 3141545. Look at the second example. It is 1,12,26,374 minus 98,73,254. So as we have done the previous sum, same way we will arrange them. So write the first number. Have you written? Now down you will write the second number. So you have arranged already. Now start subtraction. 4 minus 4, how much it is? 0. 7 minus 5 gives you 2. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. 2 minus 7. Is it possible? No, we have to borrow. So we have to borrow 1 from these two. So if I borrow 1, so these two will become how much? 12. So 2 became 12. 12 minus 7? 5. Yes. Now these two became 1. 1 minus 8. Can we do? No. So again I have to borrow 1 from here. So now I have borrowed 1 and the previous one it became 11. So 11 minus 8 gives you 3. As I have borrowed, so nothing is here, it is 0 now. So again I have to borrow 1 from here. Yes or no? Yes. So I have to borrow 1 and here it was 0. So 1 and 0 will give you 10. So 10 minus 9? 1. Now here nothing is there because I have taken this 1 already. So nothing left means 0. So 0 minus 0 gives you 0 only. So I didn't write anything here. So the subtraction is over. It is 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 0. So write down the final answer. Difference equals to 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 0. Now we will work on mixed operations. Mixed operations means we will take addition and subtraction together. So let's take an example. The sum is 2,52,619 minus 1,21,165 plus 3,37,903. So here 2,52,619 and 1,21,165 should be subtracted. Then that difference will be added up with 3,37,903. So let's start working. Please copy the sum in your page. Now start working out. So we'll first do the subtraction part. That will be the step 1. So you have to arrange the numbers. So it is 2,52,619 and down the value will come 1,21,165. So you have arranged it properly. Please place the minus symbol. Now start subtraction. 9 minus 5. How much it is? It is 4. Here 1 minus 6. 1 is lesser than 6. So we have to borrow. So from 6 you will borrow 1 here. So how much it will become? 1 will become 11. So the value of 6, how much it will be now? So the value of 6 will be 5. Now 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6 gives you 5. and the value of 6 is 5 now. So 5 minus 1, it is 4. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. So the step 1 is complete. You have done the subtraction part. So the difference is 131454. We have to work out now the step 2. Now we will work out step 2. So start writing. The difference you got in the step 1, write that number first, and the last number given in the sum, that should be added up with this difference. The last number is 3,37,903. So you have arranged properly. Now start addition. So 4 plus 3, how much it is? 7. 5 plus 0, it is 5. 4 plus 9, it is 13. 3 will be here, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 1 plus 7 gives you 9. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. 1 plus 3 gives you 4. So your addition is over and the sum is also over, and that is the final answer. So you have understood what does it mean by mixed operations. We have done addition, we have done subtraction, both in the same sum. So you have to practice some more new sums, then only it will be much more clear to you. Now we will work out few verbal problems. Look at the statement of the sum. Now you can read with me. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So I have read the question. Now we will try to understand. A book exhibition was held for how many days? 4 days. And the number of tickets sold at the counter on first, second, third and the final day, how much? The first day it got sold 1094, second day it got sold 1812, third day it was 2050 and the final day it was 2751. You have to find out total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Now can you tell me what you have to do here? What are the things you know? You know how many tickets were sold for 4 days and you have to find out the total number of tickets sold. So when it is given as total number of tickets sold, it is very much clear to you that you have to add all the number of tickets it got sold. Okay, so let's try to solve the problem. You can start working out with me. So start the solution. What you should write first? How many tickets got sold on the first day? So start writing. Number of tickets sold on the first day. It is how much? It is 1094. Now you will write number of tickets sold on the second day. How many it is? 1812. Next, number of tickets sold on the third day. It is 2050. Next, number of tickets sold on the final day. It is 2751. You have to add all these four numbers and find out the total number of tickets sold. So, total number of tickets sold. You do the addition. Do it by yourself. It is very easy. Have you done? I hope you have done already. So check the answer. If you have completed, then you can write down the final answer also. But if you have any doubt regarding the addition, you can check the next table so that you can verify your sum easily. I mean your addition part I am telling. So you are clear with the sum? You can check your addition here. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 7, 9 plus 1 plus 5 gives you 20, 2 has been carried over here, 8 plus 7 gives you 15 plus 2 17, 1 has been carried over here. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 plus 1 7. So those who has any kind of doubt, they can check their addition from this table. Let's solve one more sum. Look at the statement. You can read the sum with me. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. So how many runs does he need? Have you understood? I am making it clear. Shekhar is a cricket player. He has scored how many runs? 6,980. His wish is to complete 10,000 runs. So how many runs he will score to reach 10,000? So 10,000 is his target and he has completed 6,980. So from 10,000, if I subtract 6,980, I'll get the number of runs he needs to score. Yes? So we can start the solution. So what we can write? Can you tell me? So start writing. Number of runs Shekhar wishes to score. It is 10,000. Next, number of runs he scored. It is 6,980. And we will subtract. So number of runs he needs to score. How much it will be? Try to do the subtraction by yourself. Have you done? If you have done, then you can check the answer from here. It is a borrowing subtraction, so do it correctly. Check the answer. It is 3020. If you have completed, you can write the final answer. If you have any doubt regarding this subtraction, you can check the table. I have done there. Look at the subtraction here. So I have arranged it. I hope you also have done the same way. I just want to explain it. So it's a borrowing subtraction. We should borrow 1 here. So this 0 and 1 makes it 10. But the next column is also 0. So again 1 I have to borrow. So it became 10. If I take 1 from here, it will become 9. So now it is 10. Again I have taken 1 here, so this 10 became 9. Now finally this 10 means this 10 itself. So 10 minus 8 gives you 2. Here 9 minus 9 gives you 0. Here 9 minus 6 gives you 3. Already this one has been borrowed, so nothing is left out. So finally the subtracted value is, or the difference is 3020. Look at the sum. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? So let me clear it first. Kirti bookstore sold books in the first week of June and in the second week of June. So first week of June the bookstore sold, how much was the amount? It was rupees 2,85,891, and for the second week the amount was 4,768,000. So the first question is, how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? So what you have to do? How much was the sale for 2 weeks together? The together what itself showing you or helping you that what to do. So if you add the sale of the first week and the sale of the second week, then you will get the answer for the first question. Yes? Now go for the second one. In which week was the sale greater? Looking at the value, you can find out it is 2,85,891 and the second week is 4,768,000. So obviously it is second week. And by how much? If you subtract from the higher value to the lower value, you will get how much. Yes? So I hope you are clear. So let's start working out. Now start solution. Write step 1. What will be the statement for step 1? First line, you write with me. Cost of the books sold in first week. It is 2,85,891. Next, we will write cost of the books sold in second week. So the amount is here 4,768,000. Now you have to add. So try to find out by yourself. Do the addition. So total cost of the books sold, how much it is? Check the answer. I hope all of you have done correct. So addition here, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 5, 1 will be carried over, 8 plus 7, 16, 15 plus 1, 16, 1 will be carried over, 1 plus 5, 6, 8 plus 0, 8, 2 plus 4, 6. Now write down the final answer. Not final, the first answer. Total sale for 2 weeks. So have you written it? Those who have little problem with the addition, please have a look on this table. It is written clearly, the carryover and the addition. I am not going to explain this part because you all know. Just for your sake I have done. Now we will work out step 2. So the second question was there, in which week was the sale greater and by how much? You have seen the value already, so you know in which week it was greater. It is second week only. And by how much means we have to subtract from second week the first week. So let's start the statement. Start writing with me. Sale of books in second week, it was 4,768. Now you will write sale of books in first week. It was 2,85,891. So you have to subtract and find out the value. Try to find out the value, the difference by yourself. Check the answer from here. I hope you are correct. You can write the answer for the second question. So the sale was greater in second week by how much it is? 1,14,877. So the subtraction you check in the table I have done. Have you seen this table? If you have any doubt, you can use this table. You can check the subtraction from here. I hope the sum is very much clear to you. You have understood. Look at the assignment. First main, simplify. There are 3 sums. These are very easy. Try to work out. Second main, solve the problems. Here 2 verbal sums are there. You will try by yourself. I will discuss these sums in my next class. Thank you.